Hi friends, welcome to our second class on development. Today we are going to discuss the topic national development. Economic growth and economic development are two important concepts related to this. We will deal with them later. Okay, today we are going to focus on the concept national development goals. We know that people live in different countries. They have their own views or notions on national development, and at times their views may come in conflict. Whenever such conflict arises, the country should adopt a fair and just path for all. The country should adopt a fair and just path for all. Always we must consider whether there is a better way of doing things. Whether there is a better way of doing things. By better way we mean the cost is reduced, the quality is improved, and all the people in the country are included in the development process. Okay, what will be the development goal of a poor country dumped with toxic waste material? Suppose there is a small country, poor country, and it is dumped with lot of toxic waste material. What will be the immediate development goal of this country? Of course, the safe disposal of the toxic waste material will be the development goal of the country. Okay, another example. Suppose a country is suffering from unemployment. What is unemployment? Unemployment is a situation in which people are searching for employment and they are ready to work at the prevailing wage rate, but they fail to find out a job. Such a situation is called unemployment. Suppose a country is suffering from unemployment, what will be its development goal? Its development goal will be the creation of employment opportunities. How can a country create employment opportunities? A country can create employment opportunities by investing money in different sectors like agriculture, industry, services, etc. Okay, so here the development goal is creation of employment opportunities. Okay, can you give an example for different views of development in a country? When India became free, Gandhiji stood for small scale and cottage industries. His idea was Gram Swaraj or self-sufficient villages. At the same time, the then Prime Minister, Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru, argued for large-scale industries. He thought only large-scale industries can solve our problem. So he started large number of large-scale industries in India. This is a clear example for conflicting views within a country. Okay, now we come to the point comparison of countries. For comparing countries, income is taken as one of the important attributes. Why income is taken as an attribute? Because people think that more income means more goods and services to the people. More income means more goods and services to the people. That is the importance of income. But this total income is not a good measure of comparison. Why? Because the population of each country is different. People live in different countries and the population of each country is different. By the way, which is the largest populated country in the world? The most populated country in the world is India. Okay, so this total income, we just said it is not a good measure of comparison. Therefore, we are considering or we are taking average income of a person as a measure of comparison. Average income of a person in a country is compared with the average income of a person in another country. Okay, the average income of a person is also known as per capita income. Per capita income is total income divided by total population. So it is obtained by dividing total income with the total population. Okay, this is a good measure of comparison, and the World Bank is using this criterion for classifying countries. In 2019, A rich country was one with income equal to US dollars 49,300 or more, and a poor country or low income country was one with income equal to US dollars 2,500 or less. What about India? India was included in the category of low middle income countries with a per capita income of US dollars 6,700. So India was a low middle income country. Now we come to the topic developed countries. Okay, which are developed countries? Developed countries are those with a high income and high quality of life. Developed countries are those with a high income and high quality of life. So we can include USA, Canada, most of the countries in Europe, Japan, etc. as developed countries. What is the specialty of these countries? The specialty of these countries is that they have a high income and high quality of life. These countries have high income and high quality of life. The rich countries, excluding the Middle East countries and certain small countries, are called developed countries. The rich countries, excluding the Middle East countries and certain small countries, are called developed countries. What about India? India is a low income country. It comes under the category of developing countries. India is a developing country. Formerly, these countries were known as underdeveloped countries. Now they are called developing countries. Why are the Middle East countries not included in the group of developed countries? We know that a developed country must have a high income and a high quality of life. In the Middle East countries, the income is very high, of course, but it is doubtful whether the quality of life in such countries is very high. Therefore, these countries are not included in the group of developed countries. Okay, thank you. You can send your doubts to my WhatsApp number and you can take the notes from my blog Eco Friend. The link is given here, ullasachidan.blogspot.com. Thank you.